Alright, so today, show you guys my rm80 99, just bought it for $2,000. It's all stock right now, but gonna be doing a little bit to it once I get more going with it and weather kind of cleans up because it's starting to rain right now. But I'm gonna be doing a cold start too, and an actual cold start. Because a lot of people on YouTube, except for me, like to cold start them and just touch the pipe and say that the pipe's cold, which it just takes 15 minutes or so for it to cool down enough. But this, haven't started it. It's been inside and I had the gas off. I just turned it on right now and I could grab the whole head and everything. Not warm, nothing. The whole rad, not warm. Really cold. Hasn't been started, haven't been rode since last night. Works good though. Just an 80, but it'll surprise you. So, I should be doing a cold start, but got brand new bars on it, brand new fork seals, new back tire. Need a new rim though, so a lot of the ripping videos that I'm going to be doing for the last couple of days are going to be really shitty because the rim is really loose, because a lot of the spokes are loose at the same time. So, but I'm going to give it a cold start here, and I'm not going to use the choke. See how it goes. Hand it off of this white boy. First kick. First kick every time. Love it. But it is cold, it's starting to rain, so it surprised me. It's actually bogging this time though because it's actually cold. Yesterday it was a bit warmer, so it took first kick and it would go. I could rip right up the street. Please comment, rate, subscribe. Tell me what you think about the bike, what I should be doing for some videos. Just started, so I'm going to need a heads up on what you think I should be doing. But just slap the hell out of that like button. And subscribe me, help me get started.